Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I'm mainly reading newspaper article. This is today article over terror hit India, pauses Indus pact with Pak. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security in New Delhi on Wednesday. India responds to Pahalgam attack that left 26 dead, announces measure against Pakistan. Atari checkpost closed with immediate effect. Pak national holding Indian visas told to return by May 1st. Declare military advisors in the Pakistani High Commissioner in New Delhi as persona non grata. Kalol Bhattacharya, New Delhi, wrote this article. India withhold the 1916 Water Treaty with Pakistan in abeyance with immediate effect. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri announced on Wednesday it is part of the five-pronged response that was decided upon after Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security (CCS) in the aftermath of the terror strike in Pahalgam that left 26 dead. Following the meeting, Union Home Minister Amit Shah reached out to all political parties for all-party meeting on Thursday. The CCS took note of the cross-border linkage of terror attack in Pahalgam. Mr. Misri said, adding, the Indus Water Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. A decision was also taken to close the integrated checkpost in Atari with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsement may return through that route before May 1st, Mr. Misri said, indicating that Pakistan nationals holding Indian visa will have to return that by that date. Visas deemed. He further announced that Pakistan nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under this SARC visa exemption scheme SVES. Any SVES visa issued in the past to Pakistan nationals were deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under CVS visa has 48 hours to leave India, he said. The CCS also declared military advisors in the Pakistani High Commissioner here as persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy, air advisor from the Indian High Commissioner in Islamabad. These posts in the respective high commissions are deemed annulled. Five post staff of the service advisor will also be withdrawn from both high commissions, he said, adding that the strength of the Indian mission in Islamabad and Pakistani mission in New Delhi will be brought down to 30 from the present 55 through further reductions to be effected by by 1st May 2025. Foreign Secretary Misri declared that the CCS reviewed the overall security situation after the terror strike in Pahalgam and directed all forces to maintain high vigil. It resolved that the perpetrators of the attack will be brought to justice and their sponsor held account. As with the recent extradition of Tewar Rana, India will be unrelenting in the pursuit of those who have committed acts of terror or conspired to make them possible, Mr. Misri said. Meeting convenes. The government has convened an all party meeting on Thursday in the aftermath of the terror attack. Government sources share with Hindu that Mr. Shah and Mr. Rajnath are reaching out to leaders of various political parties for the same. The outreach came soon after the CCS meet in the Prime Minister residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg as the government trying getting all party on board with political party across the board expressing condemnations of the attack and emphasizing a unified front with the government over the issue. Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, had spoke to Mr. Shah expressing concern, while party like National Congress Party had asked that the government call for all party meet united in grief. Beyond the border of fear, we are one human family in solidarity. We stand for peace. People hold vigil on the bank of the Jhelum River in Srinagar against the Pahalgam terror attack. this is our now we start our English practice session. Know your English. K. Subramanian, S. Upender. Tash and the principal said that anyone who is interested should ask their teacher to. Anyone is singular, you cannot use it with their. So what do you I say? Anyone who is interested should ask his her teacher how to do it. Anyone who loves doing his homework should get his examined. That's a good example. Thanks. So how was the party last night? It was fun. I told them some of your jokes. Did they enjoy them? Your joke went down like a lead balloon. Like a lead balloon does it means they did not like my jokes. That's right. They in fact hated the jokes. The expression go down like a lead balloon means to fail, especially to be funny. Can I say Kumar's latest movie was supposed to be comedy, but it went down like a lead balloon. Yes, you can. His jokes like you always go down like a lead balloon. That's true. But in his latest film, he wait a minute. Did not this Kumar die about 2 years ago? Yes, that's right. I think he died of a heart attack. As I was saying in his latest film, you mean they have released a film of his now? No, they released it a week before he died. The fan in the case it is not this latest film but his last film. Why can't say latest imply newest, and Kumar said died 2 years ago. There were no new movies of his release after he died. It was his final movie. Therefore, you have to say his last movie and not his latest movie. I see. So the more last thing is Salman Rashid's latest book. That's right. Just remember this latest means newest but not the final. And with people who are dead, you generally don't use latest but last. Okay. But what about the people who are living? Do you use latest or last? You could use both. Someone's latest book could be his last book. That true. By the way, they where have you changed your picture? Why should I hang my poor picture? That what did it do? I did not understand. People are hang not picture and clothes are hung. So I say I hung my clothes in the cupboard. Yes, but remember whenever you use the word hang, it is usually associated with people. Many people were hanged during our struggle for independence, and if I continue to tell you a joke, I will be hanged too. Published in Hindu on April 996. This is our today daily quiz. As Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar celebrated his 52nd birthday today, here is a quiz on IPL's performance. Surya Prakash. Question number one, again, whom did Sachin score his only century in IPL? Question number two, how many wickets has Sachin taken in his IPL career? Sachin held, question number three, question held on to four catches in a match against Kolkata Knight Riders on May 16, 2008. What was special about this feat? Question number 4, against which franchise the Sachin scored the most runs? Question number 5, in the 2010 edition, what precedence did he set for batsman's double? Question number 6, name the two grounds outside India where Sachin was scored 50 runs. Question number 9, with whom has he had the most century partnership in IPL history? Question number 8, how many players of the match award did Sachin win in his IPL career? Of 78 matches. Question number 9, among the 30 different partners Sachin had in the 74 innings that he opened, who has opened with him in most matches? Visual question, identify and connect the player with their common achievements against the team in IPL. Question answer to the previous daily quiz. Poet who has Shakespeare with F not an age but for all time. Ben Jonson, name of Shakespeare's child speculated to related to was of his famous tragedies. Answer, Hamlet, one of the first recorded works of Shakespeare depicting the rise and short reasons of King Richard III. Shakespeare's problem play set in the backdrop of the Trojan War. Answer, Troilus and Cressida. Venus and adjoins the roof of Lucaire narrative poem, theme of excessive admiration of Shakespeare, buried adultery, visual quotient, oil painting depicting Shakespeare and named after a Duke Chandos portrait. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more. Press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.